everyone, so we are here with the photo shoot. I got my models ready from the previous video. We got 5 torches that's gonna go towards my models, and I'm gonna try some magic with this guy, see how we go. We have not much light going and it's pretty crazy here and windy, so, well, keep watching and you'll see.
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up.
When I was starting with my photography, I met my friend Dave. He was my work colleague and he was a photographer and graphic designer, I guess. And when I told him that I'm starting with photography, he was so excited to help me because he used to do it as well and he didn't have much time now because he was full-time worker. So he offered me to give me a few lessons. Actually, it happened and it really helped me on my journey, so I would like to thank him so much, and that's why I made this video. He's actually the guy who is recording this on the other side of the camera, and I'm very grateful that it happened because Johnny, my other cameraman, just left town, so I needed someone to help me with this. And he asked especially for the UV paint because we was talking about it previously and he thought it would be a cool idea. He's leaving town, so this is thank you for everything he did for me. Yeah, we had a great time. We came into a crazy situation because we had just 5 torches pointing towards our model, and then we just got one big light that was pointing towards us with a normal light. But in about 5 minutes the batteries just went off and we didn't have any charger or any other spare batteries, so we was just using our iPhones to get the torch and pointing the light towards us. So we could actually see something. It was very funny. It was actually Cindy's idea, so Cindy, thank you, that was very good. I was quite struggling with the first shots, just because my settings wasn't working out really for me, and then I got next to me Colin and he was just click, click, click. And I was like, how mate are you doing this? Because I can't find a focus point to really focus on something. And then I found out that the light was really low, so what helped was that I put the torches a little bit closer, it made it more light, and then I could finally focus. I was using my Canon 650D and I was using my lens 85mm 1.8. I was of course using 1.8 aperture because it was creating more light. My shutter speed was about 200 and ISO was very high on about 1600. If I had it any lower, then it would just not catch enough the colors and the light, so I just couldn't help it and I was using the high ISO. The pictures didn't come very noisy, what is pretty good, and I was quite happy with it.
Hello everyone, so we are finished with the photos. I think girls did really amazing job. I got Cindy here and I got Apsara here, and I got of course Colin with us. Just as always, he can't miss any of our photo shoots. So Thank you, Colin, again for driving us everywhere, for bringing the lights and all the different things. And I have to tell thank you to our new camera person, who is Dave.
Hey!
Hello, Dave. So thank you so much everyone for support. Give us thumbs up, subscribe, don't miss any other videos that we're gonna make because they're gonna be awesome. I would like to say just have a great day and see you in my next video.